Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use macros in Excel sheet. Now macros are very useful when we have to execute multiple commands and you can save and you are executing that command on a frequent basis, so you can record that macro and save it as a local or as a global, and every day you can execute it. That can be macro can be added as a button also, macro can be added in a quick link also. So I'll perform few actions and I'll record that in a macro, and then we'll see how useful this is. Now in macro, where do you find macro? In view tab, this is the macro. Click on that, record macros. You can put in the name of the macro. I'm putting it testing macro, testing. You can put in the shortcut also, like control shift. I'm putting any shortcut because I'll show you with a click of button. So macro. Okay, now it's recording. Now what I'm doing is I'm clicking sum, this one, this set. Now I am writing here sum equal to this plus suppose 90 equal to this, and then this sum and now I'm going to another sheet and I'm clicking these two links, first link and then second link. Now these two links are, I have already clicked. Now it will open both the links.
Hi everyone, in this video.
So I'm just closing it. Now this macro is recorded. I'm pausing it at the bottom. You can see here I'm pausing it. The macro is paused. Now I'm going here. It's sheet, another sheet. I'm deleting all those activities which I have done. Say deleted, deleted, deleted. And now I'll add on one button. You see, I'm going to shapes. I'm adding one button. I'm writing macro testing. And I'm appending that activity. You can right click on that and assign macro. You see this is the testing. Okay. Now when I open and I go and click on this macro testing button, what it will do, it will calculate here. It will calculate here. It will put the text sum here. It will put here and it will go and click these two links also. So this many activities will be done on click of this macro button. You see, I'm clicking this. I've clicked it. You see these two in another sheet. These two will be opened. As I have performed so many activities, so the system will take some time. But you see, now you see it has opened these two links.
Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to use a very cool feature of.
And you see here it has put sum and this has put here and it has calculated here also. So this is very handy tool, this macro. You can save it globally. You can, if you want to delete it, you can go here and you can go to macros, view macros, and you can delete it from here. You can delete it. So this way you can delete the macro. If you go here on the macro, record macro, you have the option to store this in the workbook, new workbook or personal. This would be a global. If you save in this workbook, if this workbook is closed, this will be closed, like this macro will go. If you save in personal workbook, this will be a global macro. It will be saved in your desktop, and the next time when you have the option, when you'll open that Excel sheet, this macro you can use again and again. So this is kind of global macro, this is kind of local macro. This way you can use. I'll make another video on macro for some other functionality. That's all. Thank you.